Hey everyone, so today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the MacBook Pro, the July 2018 one. So this is the one with the updated keyboard and the newer generation Intel i processors. So this is the i5 one, it's just the 13-inch, a 256 gigabyte MacBook Pro, the smaller one obviously. So let's get to it. It's covered in this shiny film, so let's first by getting rid of this film. Down here as well. Okay. Right, no film. So let's look at the box. There it is, the front one. So I got the silver one. So everyone has the space gray one because that's the new shiny color. But the silver one will make it blend in with the older MacBooks. So more stealth, I guess. You can say that, but it'll be more understated, and it's not the new color. Like, yeah. So the back, the specs, 13-inch MacBook Pro. It's the 2.3 gigahertz one with 256 gigabyte SSD. So just the regular 8 gigabyte model, not the crazy fancy one, but it is the touch bar with the Touch ID. So it is the newer one. So the July 2018 model. Okay. So off comes the lid. And there it is. So this is the grey model. And there's a little tab here to pull up, like they always have. Let's take off this plastic, slide it off. And there it is, the 13-inch MacBook Pro. So I put this on the side. We have the usual stuff in here. Some pamphlets, probably a sticker. There's always a sticker. Oh, there it is. There's the stickers. The warranty information. I think this is like a quick start guide. So yeah, quick start guide. Only 4 USB-C ports, of course. It is a MacBook. And the charger. It is the 61 watt USB-C charger, USB-C port, and the charging cable. And that should be it. That's everything in the box, really. Nothing else in the box. But what I'll do is, since I have the previous generation MacBook, what I'll do is let's compare the keyboard, because we know that the old butterfly mechanism always failed when there was like some crumbs or something falling into it. Obviously, I'm not going to check this right now. I'm not going to pour some crumbs on it. But what they did was they added a film underneath the keyboard to help protect it. But what that did was also it silenced the keys a little bit. So here I have the old MacBook. This is a 15-inch one, but I'll try and do a close-up of the keys so you can hear what it sounds like. Okay, so here we are a little bit closer. Let's get this new 13-inch open. It still has that film on it, so I'll just remove this. So it's actually booting up. But while it's doing that, so this is the old keys. Alright, and this is the new keys. So it is slightly softer. Let's do that again. Alright, the new ones. New ones. Old ones. New ones. Old ones. So yeah, it's a little bit more clicky on the old one. Slightly less clicky on this one. Still loud, but let me try that again. Yeah, it feels a little bit mushier on the new one. Must be because they put that film on the bottom. But yeah, but hopefully this will not fail as much as this one. Having said that, my last gen MacBook hasn't failed. Touch wood. The keyboard hasn't failed. So we'll see how that goes. So I guess that's it for our quick unboxing and comparison. Thanks for watching.